Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I wanted to share with you the BoldPlex Bond Restore treatment that I started using. Recently, my hair's been looking kind of dry at the ends due to some highlighting that I got done, and it just needed a pick-me-up, and this did just the trick. After getting out of the shower, I went ahead and put about, I'd say, 2/4 size amounts through my hair. It feels very soft, very creamy. It has a really nice smell to it. And afterward, I put my hair up in a bun and just kept it in for a couple hours. It was really simple and an easy conditioning to do. And this is the outcome. I feel like my hair does look healthier. I do need a trim, I think, but it just feels better. It doesn't feel so frizzy and poofy, I guess you could say. And this is just natural. This is not flattening or curling or anything. So I'm really excited that it does feel softer and healthier. If you're looking for an awesome treatment for your hair to help to repair any damage, I definitely would recommend this one from BoldPlex, and that is my point of view.